Did you know? Research shows most small business owners hit the same wall, somewhere between $250,000 and $750,000 in revenue. Growth stalls. The ideas keep flowing, but without a clear strategy, the business plateaus. That's where the 90-day to 1 million challenge comes in. Powered by KPI XAI, you'll spend 90 days building a complete growth strategy. Not a theory, but a data-driven plan that shows you exactly what to do next. With AI simulations, investor-ready financial models, and real-time KPI tracking, you'll finally have the roadmap to break through that ceiling. Start by subscribing to KPI XAI at kpixai.com. Using code SB90days to obtain 90 days free, sponsored by the JP Morgan Chase Foundation. Complete and submit your full strategy by November 14th, and you'll qualify to apply to be one of 5 contestants to compete to pitch on Small Business Saturday for a $10,000 grant. Don't let your business stall at $250K. It's time to push through to your first million.